Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. I recently got this sewing machine. It's a beginner friendly sewing machine and I believe it's a really good bargain for the price. In case you're looking to buy a new sewing machine, you could probably consider this one because I believe it's a really good machine for any beginner or an advanced person for the price. It's that kind of sewing machine that you can start with as a beginner and you can grow with. Like if you're getting advanced, this machine still works perfectly for you. And this is a Brother CS10s. It's an upgraded version of the Brother CS10, and this is a computerized sewing machine, which means it has a screen that displays all the functions that you select. So let's just get right into seeing what this machine actually looks like. Wow, I love the shape. I love how it looks like. It feels so strong, slightly heavier than my Janome E1015. It has like metal finish, I guess. This is a little bit more plasticky, but this feels like it's metal. This feels more solid than this one. This one is a bag for covering it and keeping it away from the dust, I guess. Yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, I'm also going to be showing you the setup, the threading, the accessories that it comes with, and pretty much how to get started with this new sewing machine. So yeah, here it is fresh out of the box. I really love the shape of it. Here's the computerized display screen that it has. It has some buttons right here that you can, I guess, use to select your functions. Here are the sewing functions, all the sewings it can do, 39 to 40 of them. And right here, if you open up here, it has a little storage compartment, which is typical for many sewing machines, I guess. And right here is where the bobbin is. It's so easy to take out. My previous sewing machine, you access the bobbin through here, so it's a little bit different from this one. I guess this, they say it's easier to access and pick up the bobbin. Oh yeah, it is. So it's actually pretty easy to pick up the bobbin from there. It's like a drop, you know, just fill in your bobbin and then just drop it right there. And it has this clear cover that you can actually see through it when your bobbin thread is about to finish, which is a really good feature because you all know how it feels when you feel there's still thread down there and you kept on sewing and then you realize you've sewn really long way and there's nothing. So I guess this solves that problem, which is amazing. At the back of it, it has this place where you can just put your hand and easily grab the sewing machine and hold it. It's really compact and nice. It has here where you put your bobbin to thread, so you can simply pull this out and pop on your thread. All over it there are signs and indications how you can thread it, so I believe it's going to be pretty easy to thread. And I guess this surface right here is enough to work with. My Janome has a little bit less surface and it was still cool, so I guess this is okay. And if you want to have an extension table, you can add that to it as well. And there, you know, it's pretty much practical, you know. I'm in the spirit already. I can't wait to start working on this baby. Wow, that was quick. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that. So now I'm trying number 2.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,